You think you're smarter than average? If you score at least 7 out of 10 on this quiz, you definitely are. What is the next number? 2, 4, 6, 8. 10. Complete the analogy. Socks are to feet as gloves are to hands. What is the next letter? Z, Y, X, W. V. New York is 3 hours ahead of Los Angeles. It is 2 a.m. in New York. What time is it in Los Angeles? 11 p.m. Together Tom and Jerry have $1,000. Jerry has $500 more than Tom. How much does Tom have? $250. A tree grows 3 feet per year. 5 years from now it will be 21 feet tall. How tall is it now? 6 feet. Complete the analogy. 4 is to 16 as 11 is to 121. John paid for a coffee with a $10 bill and received $7.29 in change. How much did the coffee cost? $2.71. If you flip a coin 3 times, what are the odds it will land on heads at least once? 7 out of 8 or 87.5%. Quickly before the genius question, don't forget to like and follow if you enjoyed it. Maria drove 100 miles at 50 miles an hour, and then drove 200 miles at 25 miles an hour. What was her average speed? 30 miles per hour.